Hello guys, and today we're gonna play Agario on PC. So I hope you guys enjoy, and let's get started with this. So Agario is basically you're a small cell, and you have to eat small cells like that. Then when you get bigger, you eat bigger cells, and when you get bigger, you eat bigger cells. That's the game. Actually, this game became famous like fast because it's a good game. Some people play it on iPad, iPhone, but the best time to play it is in PC because PC is the best one. It has more skins. In this game, it has even skins, but I don't like to play with skins, so I'm becoming bigger. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's eat him. Let's eat him. Let's eat him. I can't eat this guy. Someone feed me. No one's feeding me. What the heck is this? Oh shit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Now I run from these guys. They're big. Oh, that guy 1, 2, 3. It's going to eat him. He became smaller again. This game is like, it's my favorite game till now to play. See, this guy is helping me. See this? Yes, salam. And I became very big now, so I need to eat bigger cells. Or smaller cells, no problem. But these big guys always like eat the other smaller guys. So I have to take care of these guys. I don't know why these guys are helping me even. I don't help them at all. So that's a trick to like bring the small guys and eat these small cells. For me to eat them. So I try to give them food. They come. And I snipe them. I just hope no one snipes me. If I can eat this guy, I become on the leaderboard. No. This big guy is always eating me, so I'll move away from him. Let's move away from this guy even. This guy is a witch. See, that's a trick. I get him food, then like here again, like I'm not an enemy. So I ate him and I became more big. My goal is to become at least one of the 10 leaderboards, or the first, second, third, fourth, or fifth. But let's move away from these guys now, because I evolved. When I get big, I can eat this guy, just if I become big. And now I'm coming back to my own. Now I can eat this guy, but he's so far. Shit. Doggy ate him. Poor guy. But this guy is trying to. I won't snipe him. I want to eat him like that. Oh my god, and there's a war happening here. That guy got bundled and someone just exploded. Oh no, this big guy is coming for me. He's coming for me. Oh my god, hell no. You're not gonna hit me for it. Just gonna eat a small piece like a bitch. Cause you're scared. Oh my, I did a big mistake now. I fed half of my body to the other guy. So now I have to become bigger again. Let me try to eat the smaller guys. Then become big. I'll not eat the bigger guys because they're big and they can snipe me wherever they want. But I can snipe now because I'm small. I was big, but because of my mistake I became now small. I'm really scared right now. If this guy hit me, I'll be really angry. This guy made the same mistake, but he's so damn small. See these guys, they're giving each other. Oh my god, hell no. These guys are helping each other. Let me eat this guy. Shit! Come on, eat at least one. Yes, Salam. Yes. Yes. And this guy ate me. Really, I was so damn close from being in the leaderboard. And I'll play another time and let this guy eat me again. And when I get big, I'll eat this guy called Nice. Cause he's a bitch. He failed to strike me. Just let's see it. Yeah, see this? That's what I'm talking about. I became big in 1 second because of the trick I did. I ate and this guy was trying to eat me because he was bigger than me. Then I ate. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Let me eat him. Let me eat him. I want to eat him, please. I want to eat him. No, let's move away. I don't want to get eaten again. See, this guy's trying to eat me. That guy called Zero. There's so much food in this area. So I'm basically gonna eat until I become bigger and become the leaderboard. But I don't care about. Yes, Salam! Now I'm starting to become from the leaderboard. Maybe I'm 13th or 14th. But I'm gonna be in the leaderboard today. Let's see. No big cell will try to eat me. See, that's what I'm gonna do. Eat and eat and eat, and this guy ate me. So that's the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoy. Please like, subscribe, and peace.